Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to earn money as a translator. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. Are you looking for ways to make money online? If so, you may want to consider translation work. Becoming a translator is a great way to make money online for many reasons. First, we'll talk about why translation is a great way to make money online. With the increasingly global economy, businesses need translators to communicate with customers and clients in other countries, creating a high demand for them. Next, we'll discuss the flexibility of online translation work. One of the great things about working as a translator is that it can be done entirely online. You can work from anywhere in the world that has an internet connection, and it offers a great deal of flexibility in terms of hours and working schedule. We'll also look at the potential to earn a high income. With the high demand for translation services, comes the potential to earn a good income. Translators with specialist skills or who are able to work quickly can command higher rates. And as your experience and reputation grow, so too will your earnings potential. Then, we'll cover how to get started online. There are several ways to find translation work online, including signing up with a translation agency or marketplace, contacting companies directly and asking about opportunities, and promoting your services through social media and other online platforms. Building a strong portfolio is important for translators. It should showcase your best work and highlight your skills and experience. Becoming a certified translator can also be helpful in landing higher paying jobs and building trust with potential clients. Some things to keep in mind when becoming certified: most certification programs require you to pass an exam, so be prepared to study. There may be a fee associated with taking the exam and/or becoming certified. Translation is a great way to make money online, and there are many opportunities available. By understanding the demand, flexibility, and earning potential, you can get started and be successful in this field. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on Earnings 101 channel. And visit our website, www.earnings101.com, for more information on how to make money online.